Now it became to start a storm. Actually, it's hitting my car. I think, alhamdulillah, I'm on the right place, because there in front of me there's like dunes coming down and the wind's throwing up. So it's pushing me very well. You see that outside. So the car is actually moving. Maybe you cannot see it, but it's really a big strong power. And there we have a rainbow, so it's a blessed day when I come home without any damage. Otherwise it's a big mess. I'm sorry, partner Ibrahim. If I mess up, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Yeah. Hopefully you can see it. It's really mashallah, mashallah. There's a rainbow. The rainbow in the sky. Hi, hi, hi. That was a shisha, but nobody's here, so nobody's smoking that thing, okay? It's just the music.